Where are we?
Indianapolis.
Are you sure?
I think so.
You ever been here?
Well, I was born in Plymouth up north.
The third city in as many days. Now I'm in Indianapolis, hanging out with Daniel Albrand in a few minutes. Daniel is the guy most famous for creating his own Hot Doggin' with Dan YouTube channel. He's had it for a while, and he's also the Alexa laundromat guy. I'm not gonna try to take credit for it. It's absolutely genius. Daniel has set up his store with his own attendant. It's electronic, it's Alexa.
Or visit our website at www.hoosierfamilylaundry.com.
Visiting these operators that use my system to get their stores without a penny out of pocket is so exciting. And really, I feel like I know all of them, communicating through texts and emails and phone conversations. This is the big reveal now, rolling in and actually getting to meet these folks. It's just astounding. You got all this equipment for free.
Every bit of it. Got it for free.
I don't believe it. I don't understand.
Free.
These folding tables
Free.
were free. These beautiful stainless steel washers.
Free. Free.
I don't believe it. That doesn't make
All
any
free.
It doesn't make any sense.
I got the king of laundry's information.
With all of my success stories, with all of my students, with all of my now friends, it's basically the same story. They all started somewhere. You're watching a YouTube video, and I have a question for you. When will you start? Now. Now, there's your answer. Because tomorrow never comes. You want me to come to your town, to your city, to your laundromat that you scooped up for free? I'll do it, but you need to start today. Start with my information. I could be heading to visit you. I could be on my way to your store. Maybe not today, but next month, next year. Don't make it a decade. I'll come and visit you in your laundromat, but you've got to start the process now. You're here, you found me because you want a way out. You want to get that laundromat cash. Start now, and I'll be rolling out to your city. I promise. I want to. There was no liquor in that. I'm disappointed. How's that?
You know what I usually do?
Oh, I don't
Well,
want to
listen,
know.
let me tell you a short story real quick. I was in
Okay.
the Navy.